today's learning. Did you all learn by heart the 2 paragraphs of poem Indian Seasons? Shall we all sing together? Summer comes in the blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Then seasons changes to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leaf frogs and toads. Very good, students. Please take paper or note and write the meaning for leaf, blaze, Todd. Can anyone tell for the meaning of leap?
To jump high.
Good. To jump high. Anybody else? The meaning of blaze?
Bright flame or fire.
Excellent. Bright flame or fire. What about Todd?
A small brown animal similar to a frog.
Good. A small brown animal similar to a frog. Well done, students. Please repeat the meanings once again, students. Leap, to jump high. Blaze, bright flame or fire. Todd, Todd தமிழ் என்ன சொல்வோம்? தேரை. For Todd, meaning is in Tamil, தேரை. Todd, a small brown animal similar to a frog. Excellent, students. Who is the poet of the poem Indian Seasons? Nisha Dyrene. Very good. Keep it up. Now we will learn about third stanzas that speaks about spring season. The spring is the most beautiful season. Flowers bloom and birds build their nests. The weather is very pleasant. It is neither hot nor cold. New leaves can be seen on the trees. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. The spring season, which is pretty, but its duration is short. It is also sweet because you can smell fresh grass from your garden. Spring season தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? வசந்த காலம். Spring is pretty but short and sweet. Spring is pretty with freshness and blossoms everywhere, but it is short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. The spring is sweet because its freshness can be smelled from your garden.
What happens in spring? It's spring. In spring, nature wakes up. Plants grow. The grass is green. The leaves are green. Flowers bloom. Butterflies fly. Bees collect pollen and nectar. Birds build nests. Birds sing. Insects come out.
Shall we sing? Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. The next season is autumn. Autumn season தமிழ்ல என்ன சொல்லுவோம் தெரியுமா? இலையுதிர் காலம். அதுதான் இங்கிலீஷ்ல autumnனு சொல்றோம். Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian. Whenever leaves fall down. The poet compares autumn in the west to autumn in India. She says when the leaves are red, yellow and brown, then it signifies autumn in the west. But when the leaves shade, it is autumn in India.
Tia, why do trees lose their leaves in the autumn season? When the winters set in, the days become shorter and the sunlight is hardly available. So when sunlight is not available, the trees cannot make food. Rather than continuing to make food with little sunlight, they go in a rest position by shedding their leaves. This way, they use very little energy and have just enough water and nutrition stored in their trunk to stay alive till spring arrives. When spring arrives, the temperature goes up and there is more sunlight. New leaves grow and cover the tree once more.
Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is different in the west. The flowers and the leaves of the trees become red, yellow and brown. See the picture? And autumn is India, whenever leaves fall down. In India, we see leaves falling down. In the west country, we see leaves become red, yellow and brown color. But in India, during autumn season, leaves fall down. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is Indian when the leaves fall down. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn is India whenever leaves fall down. Whenever leaves fall down. Whenever leaves fall down. Indian seasons. Indian season. What are the seasons? Summer. Next, monsoon. Next, spring and autumn. Called Indian seasons. Summer, hottest season, blaze of heat, April to June. And next monsoon, pre-monsoon, mango showers, heavy rainfall. Next, spring, leaves grow, pretty and sweet, king of the season. Spring season is called king of the season. And next, autumn. Leaves fall down, leaves change color. It changes into red, yellow and brown. This is season tree. Monsoon, autumn, summer and spring. Which season is this? Summer. Which is the season is this? You see the flowers, right? Which is the season is this? Spring. Very good. What is this season? Monsoon. Okay. Shall we sing the full poem? Please sing along with me. Summer comes in the blaze of heat with sunny smiles and dusty feet. Then season changes to muddy roads, monsoons and mangoes, leaf frogs and toads. Spring is pretty but short and sweet when you can smell the grass from your garden seat. Autumn is English in red, yellow and brown. Autumn in India, whenever leaves fall down, whenever leaves fall down, whenever leaves fall down. Nisha, Dyrene. Okay students, please take your note and write this mind map and write this full poem. Please learn by heart this poem and come to the next class. See you all then. Bye-bye. Take care.
Goodbye.